Hello my dear students. So today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter Listen. So the name of the poem, the title of the poem is Listen. Answer these questions. Question 1. When can you see dew? Answer. We can see dew early in the morning. Full stop. Question 2. Where can you see the moon? Answer. We can see the moon in the sky. Full stop. Question 3. What sounds are the pebbles making? The pebbles are making humming sound. Question 4. Where can you see the mist? Answer. We can see the mist in the trembling leaves. Full stop. Children, you will write the question answers in your English classwork copy very neatly. So children, now let's take up our next chapter, that is chapter number 4 from Exploring English book. The name of the chapter is The Stone Cutter. This is chapter number 4, The Stone Cutter. So this is page number 44. Okay, page number 44. Read this Japanese folk tale about a poor stone cutter who wanted everything in life. So this is a Japanese folk tale. That means folk tale means old story, an old story. So this is a Japanese story about a poor stone cutter. So let's read the story. A poor stone cutter chipped at a rock. His hammer went tack and his chisel went tock. Then a rich man walked past in his rich man's clothes. I'm just a poor stone cutter, the stone cutter said. I would rather be a rich man instead. And he became a rich man. So the story is about a poor stone cutter. Stone cutter is a person who cuts stone. So he was working, he was cutting stones, he was chipped at a rock, which means he was cutting the stone. And he was working with hammer and chisel. So the pictures are given here. Hammer, this is the hammer. It is a tool used for breaking things. And chisel is this one. This is the picture. Chisel is a tool. It has a long blade. It is also used to cut or shape a stone. So he was working with a chisel and a hammer. And then there was a rich man who was going from there. Okay. So there was a rich man who walked past in his rich man's clothes. He was a rich man. He was wearing nice clothes. So the stone cutter said, I'm just a poor person. I'm a poor stone cutter. I would rather be a rich man instead. So I would rather, this means it is used to show that you prefer to do something more than the other. That means he wanted to be a rich man. And he became a rich man. So after that, he really became a rich man. Then the emperor rode past with his servants dressed in blue and gold. I'm just a rich man, the stone cutter said. I would rather be the emperor instead. And he became the emperor. Then the emperor rode past with his servants. Emperor means king. So the king passed by with his servants, and the servants were dressed in blue and gold. So then the stone cutter thought that I'm just a rich man. I would rather be the emperor instead. So instead of being a rich man, I should be the emperor, because an emperor and a king is more powerful than a rich man, isn't it? So that's why he thought I would rather be the emperor instead. And he became the emperor. And after that, he became the king himself. Then the sun came out. It was grander and more powerful than any emperor. I'm just an emperor, the stone cutter said. I would rather be the sun instead. And he became the sun. Then the sun came out, and the sun was shining brightly. It was grander and more powerful than any emperor. So it was grander. Grander means it was larger, it was powerful, it was magnificent. That means it had great power, isn't it? The sun is powerful than any emperor. It is magnificent. It is, a sun is something that has great energy or great power. Okay. So then the stonecutter thought, I'm just an emperor. I would rather be the sun instead. So I would like to be the sun because the sun is more powerful than the emperor. And he became the sun. And after that he became the sun. This is page number 45. Then a big cloud passed. It blocked out all the sun's light. I'm just the sun, the stonecutter said. I would rather be a cloud instead. And he became a cloud. Then a wind blew the cloud away across the sky. I'm just a cloud, the stonecutter said. I would rather be the wind instead. And he became the wind. Then a big cloud passed. And what did it do? It covered the sun and it blocked all the sun's rays. So the stonecutter, he thought, I'm just the sun. So I would rather be a cloud instead. It would be better if I would be a cloud so that I can cover the sun. And he became a cloud. And then a wind blew the cloud away. And after that, the wind blew and it blew the cloud away across the sky. After that, the stonecutter thought, I'm just a small cloud. It would be better if I would be the wind. And after that, he became the wind. The wind blew until it smacked into a huge rock. I'm just the wind, the stonecutter said. I would rather be a rock instead. And he became a rock. Then he felt a poor stonecutter chipping at his side. I'm just a rock, the stonecutter said. I would rather be a poor stonecutter instead. And he became a poor stonecutter once again. The poor stonecutter chipped at the rock. His hammer went tack and his chisel went talk. After this, the wind blew until it smacked into a huge rock. Smacked into means it hit something very hard. So the wind blew and it hit the huge rock, the big rock. The stonecutter said, I'm just the wind. I would rather be a rock instead. So the stonecutter thought that I would be rather a rock because a rock is more powerful than the wind. And he became a rock after that. Then he felt a poor stonecutter chipping at his side. So the stonecutter, he became a rock. And after that, another poor stonecutter, he was chipping the same rock. Okay. So the stonecutter said, I'm just a rock. I would rather be a poor stonecutter instead. So after that, he thought it's better to be a poor stonecutter. And he became a poor stonecutter once again. And after that, he became a poor stonecutter once again. Now the poor stonecutter chipped at the rock. His hammer went tack and his chisel went talk. That means the poor stonecutter, he regained his original shape. He regained his original form. And the poor stonecutter, he started on with his work. He was chipping the rock and he was working with his hammer and chisel. And now he was satisfied. So this is the story of a poor stonecutter who wanted to have everything in life. But at the last, he understands his own importance. He realizes his own worth. This is the summary of the story. Let's read it out. In this folk tale, a stonecutter wants to be something more. At first, he wants to be a rich man and then the emperor. Next, he wants to be the sun. After that, the clouds, then the wind, and then a huge rock. In the end, he sees another stonecutter chipping away at the huge rock that he had become. He realizes his own worth and wishes to become a stonecutter again. So children, read the story twice, okay, and write the question answers of the poem Listen in your English classwork copy. That's all for today. Thank you.